Presiden Khynra Trap Youth Council uba Roy ku parsen ramin en kesngi ula ong ba kaseng kan Bteng ban Khynra ye ki kot kisla jung ki Nongbylla bar Jylla hameglaya. Haba dawai ke jemput reka mador ya ka ILP hapo ke Jylla. Presiden ula ong balada 4 lak ban penyo ya ka ILP. Kata ulat udai ban ai no ke jengmenjur ya ka MRSSA Amendment Bill ar-hajar arpo. Haba kedau bakaseng kampat long persai ke Roy kepar Baasin ramula ong ba watla ka de ka kamram jo ka sorkar. Hinre ka jing bamshum kia jong ka. Kala penlong yi kunhun seng ban hapshim ya ka jengket clear.
This has been one of the aims and objectives of KHASI, where we have always made a demand that the state should implement ILP, or in case if they are not able to implement ILP, they should implement the MRSSA Amendment Bill of 2020. And at the same time also, it was the effort of KHASI which has made the government to bring that new law, the labour law in the year 2020, in which each and every labourer has to register with the government if they are interstate migrant or if they are interstate labourer.